What's up guys, it's Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video, we are doing an unboxing and review of Boult Audio AirBass GearPods. Now it is available online on Flipkart for 999 rupees and it comes in blue, black and white colors. We have the black color variant. Now let's get to unboxing. Here's the box. Towards the top it says Boult Audio and towards the bottom it says GearPods. On the bottom it has some highlights. On the back it has some more highlights and some other information. Now let's unbox this. Now first we have a small envelope. Next we have this earbuds case. Finally we have a small accessories box. Now this envelope has some documentation. In accessories box we get extra ear tips and Type-C charging cable. Now this is the earbuds case. And let's have a physical overview. On the front it says Boult Audio and beneath it has 4 LED indicators. And it also has a groove to open the lid. On the sides it is plain. On the bottom it has Type-C charging port. On the top, it's again plain. Now let's open the lid. This is how it looks like. And this is how it looks like on the inside without the earbuds. Now let's look at the earbuds. These have the mic cutouts on the sides. On the bottom, they have charging pins. On the inner sides, they have L and R markings and the silicone ear tips. On the back, there is branding on each earbud. And there is LED indicator on both the earbuds with a slight design around them, which is a nice touch. This case has magnetic mechanism and it is pretty satisfying to open and close. Now these lights on the case indicate the charging level and they light up when charging the earbuds. Now let's look at the pairing process. Just take them out of the case, search on the phone for Boult Audio GearPods, now tap on it and that's it. It is paired. As for functions, we can double tap to play and pause, long tap on the right for next song, long tap on the left for previous song and triple tap on either side for voice assistant. As for calls, you can double tap to answer or end call and long tap to reject incoming call. Now let's start the review with build and design. This case has a nice build and pretty smooth material. It feels good to hold and it feels satisfying to open and close the lid due to the magnetic mechanism. The earbuds are good to hold and are easy to take out of the case. The stem could have been slightly longer, but it is pretty nice even now. In ear, these earbuds feel comfortable. There is passive noise cancellation and it removes most ambient noise while listening to music. These have a comfortable fit in ear and even when you shake your head, they stay inside without any problem. And that's pretty nice. As for audio, it has great audio quality. The details and the sound clarity are pretty good and it has nice bass, which feels pretty good, especially above 50% volume. As for calls, it works and you can hear on both sides, but for some reason, the audio from the mic is not loud enough on the other side. The person on the other side won't be able to hear much if there is some noise around you. But most of the time, it is audible for both sides of the call. So to conclude, you're getting earphones with great audio quality, great design and build, and instead of buttons, it has touch controls, which is much more convenient. Overall, this is the best wireless earphones you can get under 1000 rupees. So what do you think about these earphones? Let us know in the comments below, and I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.